Something big is happening in the skies. The United States Air Force is making a huge bet on the future, the B-21 Raider. This new stealth bomber looks like science fiction, but it's very real, and nearly invisible to enemy radar. Designed to fly deep into hostile territory undetected, the B-21 marks a major shift in military strategy. The world is changing fast, and the US needs new tools to stay ahead. The Raider is the next generation of American air power, replacing aging bombers like the B-52, B-1, and B-2. Those aircraft have served for decades, but new threats from China and Russia demand more advanced technology. Modern air defenses can spot and shoot down older planes. The B-21 is built to defeat them. Its mission, strike any target anywhere, anytime. This is crucial for national security. Named in honor of the Doolittle Raiders of World War II, the B-21 carries forward a legacy of courage and innovation. It's a testament to American engineering and a warning to adversaries. Accelerating B-21 production is a massive, multi-billion-dollar effort. The Air Force knows the future of warfare will be fought in the shadows where stealth and information are key. Why now? Because the stakes are higher than ever. The global landscape is more complex and dangerous. The Air Force needs an aircraft ready for tomorrow's challenges. The B-21 Raider is that aircraft, a long-range, highly survivable bomber that will anchor the US bomber fleet for years to come. In this video, we'll explore why the Air Force is doubling down on this incredible machine. We'll look at its capabilities, the reasons for the production push, and the challenges ahead. The B-21 story is America's story, a commitment to staying ahead in a turbulent world. The Raider is more than a plane, it's a symbol of American resolve. As the world changes, so must the tools that defend it. The B-21 is leading that change. The B-21 Raider is the world's first sixth-generation aircraft, surpassing even the F-35 in technology. It's a long-range stealth bomber, able to deliver both conventional and nuclear weapons deep inside enemy territory. Its entire design, shape, materials, and electronics makes it nearly impossible to detect. The B-21's flying wing shape and advanced composites absorb radar, while its engines are hidden to reduce heat signature. It's stealthy against a wider range of radars, including those that can spot older stealth planes. Built for the digital age, the B-21 features open architecture. Like a smartphone, it can be upgraded quickly with new software and hardware. It can act as a command hub, sharing intelligence with other forces and creating a connected battlefield. The B-21 is optionally manned. It can fly with a crew or as a drone, depending on the mission. This flexibility is a game-changer for high-risk operations. The Raider isn't just a bomber. It's a multi-role platform that will redefine air power. Adaptable, connected, and stealthy, the B-21 is built for the challenges of the 21st century. It's the future of American air dominance. The Air Force isn't just building the B-21, it's building it fast. The original plan was at least 100 bombers, but now leaders are pushing for up to 200. This signals just how vital the B-21 is to US strategy. In 2024, Northrop Grumman received the first production contract, moving the program from testing to manufacturing. The first B-21 flew in late 2023, with more in production at Plant 42 in California. The Air Force wants a steady stream of B-21s rolling out every year. Secretary of the Air Force Frank Kendall says 100 isn't enough to counter threats like China. The service is working with Northrop Grumman to speed up production without sacrificing quality. This means investing in supply chains, skilled workers, and efficient manufacturing. The B-21 program is a top Pentagon priority, with budgets rising to support new planes, bases, and training. Ellsworth Air Force Base will be the first to operate the Raider, with others to follow. Doubling the fleet is about building a resilient, powerful bomber force for decades to come. The rush to build more B-21s is driven by a dangerous world. China is the Pentagon's pacing challenge, rapidly advancing its military and building defenses to keep US forces at bay. The B-21 is designed to penetrate these anti-access systems. Russia, despite setbacks, still has a powerful military and advanced air defenses. The B-21 ensures the US can deter both nuclear and conventional threats. Its stealth and range make it a key tool for NATO and US allies. Regional threats like Iran and North Korea are also developing advanced weapons. The B-21 gives US leaders options for precision strikes with lower risk. Recent conflicts have shown how vulnerable non-stealthy aircraft are to modern air defenses. Drones and missiles are everywhere. Stealth is more valuable than ever. The B-21's combination of stealth, range, and payload is the answer to this lethal environment. As war evolves, the B-21 is a critical investment to ensure the US can project power anywhere. It's not just about offense, it's about deterring aggression and protecting allies. The B-21 is built for the threats of today and tomorrow. In a world of rising dangers, speed and stealth are essential. To understand the B-21, look at its predecessor, the B-2 Spirit. The B-2 was revolutionary but extremely expensive. Only 21 were built. The B-21 was designed to avoid those pitfalls, focusing on affordability and efficient production. Modern techniques like digital engineering and robotics keep costs down. The goal, a much larger, more resilient fleet at a lower price per plane. The B-2's stealth coatings were delicate and costly to maintain. The B-21 uses more durable materials for easier upkeep. Inside, the B-21 is a digital-era machine. Open architecture, advanced sensors, and next-gen stealth. It can be rapidly upgraded to counter new threats, unlike the analog B-2. The B-21 isn't just an evolution, it's a complete rethink of how to build and operate a stealth bomber. It's the future, not just a better version of the past. Affordability is central to the B-21 program. The target price is about $692 million per plane, far less than the B-2. Cost control is strict, with lessons learned from past overruns. Inflation and rising material costs are real challenges. Northrop Grumman expects early losses but aims for profit as production becomes more efficient. Fixed-price contracts put more risk on the contractor, driving innovation and discipline. Digital engineering, using virtual models, catches errors early and streamlines manufacturing. Still, the B-21 is a massive investment, over $200 billion for development and at least 100 planes. Sustained support from Congress and the Pentagon is essential. The program's success depends on building enough bombers at a price the nation can afford. Building a sixth-generation stealth bomber is a monumental task. The supply chain is vast, involving hundreds of specialized suppliers. Any delay or quality issue can slow the entire assembly line. Skilled workers are in high demand, and Northrop Grumman must recruit and train thousands. Scaling up production means moving from careful, slow builds to efficient, repeatable processes, without sacrificing stealth. Even tiny imperfections can compromise the B-21's capabilities. Secrecy adds complexity. Work is done in secure facilities, limiting collaboration and slowing problem-solving. Balancing security with efficiency is a constant challenge. The Air Force and Northrop Grumman must perfect the process to deliver flawless bombers. The path to full-rate production is tough, but essential for success. With the first B-21 flying, the program enters a critical phase: flight testing. Test pilots and engineers will push the bomber to its limits, refining performance and tactics. Every flight provides data to improve the aircraft before it joins operational squadrons. Pilots and crews at Ellsworth Air Force Base are training to master the Raider. New facilities are being built to support the fleet. The goal: initial operational capability by the late 2020s. The B-21's role could expand. Its sensors and open architecture make it ideal for intelligence and command missions. It could direct drones, coordinate strikes, and serve as the quarterback of future air battles. The B-21 will restore America's ability to strike anywhere, deterring aggression and reassuring allies. It will anchor U.S. air power for the next 50 years. The Raider's journey is just beginning, but it's already reshaping global security. The future of air dominance starts now. Doubling down on the B-21 Raider is bold and necessary. In a world of great power competition, projecting power and overcoming advanced defenses is a must. The B-21's stealth, range, and digital backbone make it the right tool for the job. Building a larger fleet is a clear response to rising threats, but it's not without risks. Production, cost, and supply chain challenges will test the defense industry. The B-21's success depends on affordability, sustainability, and smart management. It will form the core of the bomber fleet, forcing adversaries to invest heavily in new defenses. For the U.S. and its allies, the Raider is a symbol of commitment and security. No target is safe, no sanctuary is absolute. Some argue even more B-21s may be needed for the vast Pacific theater. By investing in the Raider, the Air Force is securing America's air dominance for the 21st century. The B-21 is more than a plane, It's America's bet on the future and one it can't afford to lose.